Welcome back, guys. A new week has begun. New ways to trade, new ways to maximize your account using the 714 method. So today was actually very great, right? Today was very great. I mean, look at this trade right here. It was just a very nice trade. So let's analyze today's trade and see what happened. I mean, before we even get to that, today was a very busy day, right? And when you look at this level right here, it was a very busy day, but because we are above the MBK strategy, I was just buying. I bought here, bought there, I even bought here and sold somewhere. Yeah, that was here. So it was a very busy day, trust me, a very busy day. I even get to use my own short bus strategy on this trade right here. So I get to use the short bus strategy on this small trade right here. So let's analyze the 714 method and see what actually happened today. So by the looks of it, when you realize that the 714 method, we like to be in an uptrend or a very nice downtrend, right? But most of the times you understand that the 714 method wouldn't do that. It will be in an uptrend during the beginning of the strategy, then at the end it will be in a downtrend, giving you something like an equal trend, right? So normally I've said it in different videos. When you find out that it's an equal trend, what do? You use this highs, right? This is the high of the trend and the low of the trend for your entry. So when price moves above it, probably come back and retest it, or it moves above it, leaving a fair value gap behind. When it comes back, you enter into your trade and go up. When it moves below, leaving a fair value gap or coming back to test it again, and when it comes back, break structure, you enter into your trade and you come down, right? Simple as that. But within this past week, we were in a very serious uptrend. I mean, we were just in a long trend like this, right? A very serious uptrend. So indirectly, price will actually sell. So the whole of today, my mind was just in sells, right? So that was what happened. Now, when you look at this, we were in an equal trend, and when we are in an equal trend, we look for those. Now, by the looks of this, we actually came to the topmost part of it, right? Tried to break structure right here, we couldn't. Broke structure around somewhere here, then there was just a lot of wicks and a lot of candles right here, meaning we're in a very serious consolidation, right? Price was just consolidating in a very serious manner, simple as that. But it wasn't that it did not consolidate for a very long time, and it gives us this nice trade. When you look at this, you realize that price came all the way down to here, pulled all the way up, breaking structure from this level, right? You can see price break structure, came back down, tried to break another structure and go up, but couldn't, and now broke this right here. So making this a change of character. And as you already know, even if it wasn't for this 714 method with the MBK strategy, I would have entered into a trade there, right? So I got into my trade pretty much simple around that level. Very simple. Hesitate, I got into the trade and I kept my take profits. Simple as that. Today was just the easiest, but it actually needed a lot of patience. If you do not have patience today, I'm probably sure you wouldn't have gotten this nice trade, right? But that's just by the way. Let's look at what tomorrow will bring. Probably tomorrow's trade will be straightforward and very easy. So I'll see you guys in the next video.